If you spent even a little time learning SEO, you've probably heard this advice over and over again. You need backlink to rank higher on Google. But what exactly is a backlink? Why are some backlinks powerful while others can actually hurt your website? And how do you know whether a link is high quality or low quality? The truth is, many beginners make these mistakes of chasing hundreds of backlinks without understanding what actually matters. But in SEO, more links do not always mean better rankings. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about backlinks, how they work, what makes a backlink valuable, and how to identify high-quality links that actually improve ranking. What is a backlink? A backlink is simply a link from one website to another. For example, if a marketing blog links to your SEO article, that link becomes a backlink for your website. Think of backlinks like recommendations. When another website links to your content, it's essentially telling search engines that this page is useful and worth checking out. Search engines use backlinks as signal to understand trust and authority. Why backlinks matter for SEO? Google wants to rank pages that are helpful and trustworthy. But with millions of websites online, how does Google know which pages deserve to rank? One way is through backlinks. When reputable websites link to your content, it signals that your page provides value. Over time, this trust signal helps improve your authority and increase your chances of ranking higher. Backlink also helps search engines discover new pages faster and understand how websites across the internet are connected. However, not all backlinks provide the same value. What makes a high-quality backlink? A high-quality backlink is not just any link. Several important factors determine whether a backlink is valuable or not. The first factor is authority. A backlink from a trusted, well-established website carries much more value than a link from a brand new or spammy site. For example, if a respected industry website links to your content, Google sees that as a strong signal of trust. The second factor is relevance. The website linking to you should be related to your niche or industry. If your website is about SEO, a backlink from digital marketing website is much more useful than a random backlink from an unrelated topic. Relevance helps search engine understand your context. The third factor is placement of the link. A backlink placed naturally inside the main content of an article is generally more valuable than links hidden in sidebars, footers, or random directories. Context matters. Google prefers links that are naturally earned and genuinely helpful to others. Understanding anchor text. Anchor text is a clickable text used in a hyperlink. For instance, if someone links to your article using the text SEO keyword research guide, that phrase becomes the anchor text. Anchor text helps search engines understand what the link page is about. However, using the same keyword repeatedly across many backlinks can look unnatural and manipulative. A healthy backlink profiles usually include a mix of branded, keyword-based, and natural anchor text. Dofollow versus nofollow backlinks. Not all backlinks pass authority equally. A Dofollow link passes SEO value, often called link equity, from one website to another. These are generally the most valuable for rankings. A nofollow link, on the other hand, tells search engines not to pass authority in the same way. But nofollow links are not useless. They can still drive traffic, increase brand visibility, and create opportunities for natural backlinks later. A natural backlink profile usually contains both types. Signs of a low quality or spammy backlink. Not every backlink is good for SEO. Links from spammy websites, unrelated directories, private blog network, or low-quality link farms can harm your website. If a website exists only to sell links or contains poor quality content with excessive ads, it may be a bad backlink source. Google is smart enough to identify manipulative link building practices. Trying to trick search engines with artificial backlinks can lead to ranking drops or penalties. How to earn high-quality backlinks? The best backlinks are earned, not forced. Creating high-value content is one of the most effective ways to attract natural links. Helpful guides, research, tutorial, original insight, and useful resources are more likely to be referred by others. Guest posting, partnerships, outreach, and digital PR can also help build quality backlinks over time. The focus should always be on relevance, trust, and value. Quality versus quantity, which matters the most? Many beginners believe they need hundreds of backlinks to rank. But in reality, quality matters far more than quantity. A few backlinks from trusted and relevant websites can outperform hundreds of weak or spammy links. Google values credibility and authenticity more than volume. It's better to build a small number of strong links than chase large number of low quality ones. To sum up, backlinks are one of the strongest ranking factors in SEO. But not all links are created equal. High-quality backlinks come from relevant, trusted, and authoritative websites and are placed naturally within content. Understanding what makes a backlink valuable helps you focus on strategies that improve ranking safely and sustainably. Building high-quality backlinks takes time, but the long-term benefits are worth it. When trusted websites recommend your content, search engine gains more confidence in your authority. At Digital Solution Zone, we help businesses build strong SEO foundation through smart link building strategies, authority development, and complete SEO optimization. We also provide services for Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce stores, along with digital marketing across Google, Amazon, and other major platforms. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.